Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make yogurt pancake. In Netherlands, we call it yogurt Pannenkoek, and it's very healthy and yummy, easy to make it. So you see how I'm enjoying it. You can put any syrup you want. You can put honey too. You see, if you like honey, you can put it. And this is the ingredients you need it. So let me show you this all-purpose flour and vanilla yogurt. You can use any yogurt you want. You can use the one that's not sweet. You can use the one on sweet one too. And this is my milk, whole milk. I use it. You can use any milk you prefer. And the sugar. And I'm using 2 eggs. And this is the vanilla essence or vanilla extract. You can use that one. And this is my salt. This is the salt I'm going to use. And this is the type of yogurt I'm using. You can use any yogurt you want. You can use Greek yogurt. Yeah, you can use that one, but I prefer to use this one. So if you want this one, you can use the same one. So let's start. Take a clean bowl and pour your yogurt inside. You pour the yogurt and you add your eggs to it. You break the egg into 2. You add it to it. And you mix it together. Add the sugar and mix it. You add the vanilla essence or vanilla extract. You add it to it. And you add your milk. You mix it. Then you add your flour, but the flour don't pour all together. Don't add all together, make it small. Yeah, add it small, the same what I'm doing it. Make it like this and you mix it like this, like you are making cake. Yeah, add a pinch of salt, not too much small, but be careful. Yeah, if you don't want salt, you can leave it, but if you want, add small to it. And it's ready to fry. You know, it's not difficult, just easy pancake. You will make it. You put your fry pan on fire, the pan you are going to use it. You add a little bit of oil, like half teaspoon. You add it to it and you make it like this, what I'm making it. Then you start frying it. It depends the size you want. Yeah, if you want it like small, like this type, you can make it. If you want to make it big, you can make it like that. Yeah. And I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers. Please, if you are new here, after finish watching, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and press the notification bell there on my YouTube and Facebook too. And I'm Instagram too, so you can follow me also there. God bless you. Please don't let the fire should be high or low. It's supposed to be medium high temperature. And you can see if the top is dry, you turn another side and you fry that one. Yeah, you make it like golden brown. You see how it's look very nice. And this one, if you get fresh yogurt, fresh yogurt drink, yeah, you will enjoy it in the afternoon. You need this one in your breakfast, but in the afternoon, if you get fresh yogurt, the fresh one to eat with this one, oh stop, you are in heaven. Check how nice it look. It's ready. and you remove it. It's ready, so remove it and you continue frying all it until finish. You see how yummy it looks? Don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell there, like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.